Welcome to Falcon Excel Academy. I am Vijay, and today I am going to teach you about GoalSeek, how GoalSeek works. Let's imagine for a moment that I have right here in front of me the marks of a student in a variety of different subjects. And for one subject, the specific marks have not been entered into the system just yet. Now, let's say I want a total of 350 marks here. So I need to find out how many more marks I need to score in computer so that the total becomes 350. So for that, what we have to do is first click on total, and after clicking on total, then you have to click on data. After that, you will click on what if analysis and then click on GoalSeek. The GoalSeek dialog box will open in front of you. In the to value field, you need to type the number of marks you want. For example, I want 350 marks here, and then click on by changing cell. After that, we will give the reference of the cell where we want to display the marks. That is, how many more marks we need in computer. Here we click, and when we click OK, you can see that if you get 87 more marks in computer, then you will have a total of 350 marks. And if I want to undo this, I just press Ctrl Z. Similarly, if I want, say, 70% or 60% marks here, then how many more marks will I need to get in computer? So here we will click on percentage again. You have to come here to data, then click on what if analysis, and then click on GoalSeek. Suppose I want 62 or 65% here, and then it will tell me how many marks I need to get in computer. We will click here, then click on computer and click OK. Then you will see that you need to score 62 marks in computer. Only then your percentage will become 65%. So this was my lecture for today in which I taught you about GoalSeek. I hope you definitely learned something new in this lecture. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friends. See you in the next lecture. Until then, goodbye.